In today's video, I will teach you a simple 4-step scalping strategy that you can apply for trading gold, silver, and Forex. It combines price action and multiple time frame analysis. And of course, it is suitable for beginners. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Step number 1. The market should trade on a key horizontal support or resistance. Your first task is to analyze the horizontal key levels. Underline the horizontal supports, horizontal resistances, and wait for the test of one of the key levels. Here are the key levels that I identified on silver. And you can see that currently the market is approaching a key daily support. So condition number 1 is met. Step number 2. The market should start consolidating on a key level on a 4-hour or hourly time frame. Once the market is approaching a key daily support or resistance, analyze the price action on a 4-hour and hourly time frames. On these time frames, you should look for consolidation. You should look for the formation of a horizontal trading range. Here on silver, on a key daily support, the market formed a horizontal range on an hourly time frame. Step number 3. The market should form a double bottom pattern on 30 minutes time frame on the support of the range. Analyzing the reaction of the price to the support of the range on 30 minutes time frame, you should look for a double bottom pattern. Traders, for more education, for more tips, do not forget to check my premium educational group. Inside I will teach you how to trade. Inside I will teach you my trading strategy. Inside I will show you how I trade live. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. On silver, on a key daily support, the price formed the horizontal range, and on the support of the range on 30 minutes time frame, the price formed a double bottom pattern. Remember, traders, that if the market is approaching a key daily resistance, you should also look for the formation of a horizontal range on that resistance. However, analyzing the 30 minutes time frame, you should look for a double top pattern on the upper boundary of the range. Step number 4, it is your confirmation. Your confirmation to buy the market will be the breakout of the neckline of a double bottom, the candle close above the neckline. Then you can buy the market on a retest and expect a bullish movement to the upper boundary of the range. Your stop loss should strictly lie below the lows of the range, and your take profit will be the upper boundary of the range. Your confirmation to buy silver will be the bullish breakout of the neckline of the double bottom. 30 minutes candle close above will confirm the violation. Then you set your buy limit order on a retest of a broken neckline. You set it on the upper boundary of the neckline, on the highest wick, and you expect a bullish movement to the resistance of the range. You set your stop loss strictly below the lows of the range. You can see on an hourly time frame all the lows of the range, and you set your stop loss strictly below the lowest low, and your target is the resistance of the range. So here will be your trade for silver. And your confirmation to sell the key resistance is the breakout bearish violation of the neckline of double top. Wait for the candle close below that, set your sell limit order on a retest, expect a bearish movement to the support of the range, and your stop loss is lying above the highs of the range. Also, it is highly recommendable to have at least 1.2 reward to risk ratio. Following that strategy properly, you will achieve up to 70% win rate. Traders, if you want to see more education, if you want to see more videos about scalping, please let me know in the comment section. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below.